Welcome to our virtual road test of a 2012 Audi A5 2-litre TDI S-Line Sportback. Just giving it a little run up the road, see how it drives. It's done 53,600 miles, and as with every other Audi that we've ever had and have, superb car, drives really well, nice and tight, nice and smooth, no squeaks or rattles, no warning lights on the dash, brakes are all good, gearbox is nice, 6-speed box, yep, drives really well, drives just as an Audi should and would, it does drive. So this car, as I say, it's a 2-litre TDI S-Line. It is a Sportback, so it's the 5-door with the hatchback. It's in black, as you've seen from the photographs. We have full service history for it. It's got 6 service stamps, last serviced in January. Had a Cambelt change in May of 2019 at 43,900 miles. So full service history, Cambelt change as well, the all-important Cambelt, and water pump, Cambelt water pump change, full kit, all done. That's documented. We have a copy of the invoice for the job that was done. It is a company plus 1 private owner from you, so good pedigree as ever. We've got 2 keys for it. S-Line as well, this one, so great spec. You know, it's car in black, good spec, great pedigree, say with the history, the keys, the ownership. It's a really, really nice car, and it's an Audi for Mondeo money. You can't get better value really. It's a supercar, drives really well. There's loads of information up on the website about the car, all the details on the background and history, lots of photos, video walk round that we do as well. But if there is any additional information that you'd like on the car, or finance packages that are available, or our home delivery service, then please